Bitcoin exchange platform company has introduced the first Bitcoin ATM in Hong Kong. Bitcoins, or virtual currencies, have been gaining popularity worldwide recently, but they are not governed by any financial regulator.
The virtual money has aspired to become a universal currency that does not depend on governments or banks. Countries and their tax authorities have been grappling with how to regulate virtual currencies, with some seeing it as a route for tax evasion or money laundering. Russia has declared transactions illegal. China has banned its banks from handling Bitcoin trades, and there have been calls for the US to do the same. Singapore is set to become the second country in the world after the US to regulate virtual currencies such as Bitcoins. Under a new proposal by Singapore's central bank, virtual currency exchanges will need to verify the identities of their customers and report any suspicious transactions. Singapore says the move is meant to address any potential risks of money laundering or terrorism financing. But exactly how does it work? The ATM machine here in Hong Kong, which only accepts deposits and not withdrawals, allows people to exchange Hong Kong dollars for the virtual currency. Asia saw its first Bitcoin vending machine in late February in Singapore. To buy Bitcoins, the machine would first scan the buyer's phone for the QR code of the virtual Bitcoin wallet. The buyer would then insert cash into the machine to complete the transaction.
The main thing is accessibility. This is just one more location or avenue for people to buy and sell Bitcoins. So I think this will help with the adoption, because people are, creatures of convenience. So if it's too difficult for them, they won't do it. And if it's convenient for them, they'll go for convenience.
The market for the digital currency was rocked last month when the Tokyo-based exchange Mt. Gox, once the world's largest Bitcoin exchange, ceased operations and soon after filed for bankruptcy. Mt. Gox says it may have lost 750,000 Bitcoins worth hundreds of $millions in a hacking attack. It suspended withdrawals on the 7th of February, leaving customers unable to recover their funds. Law says while there are trust issues with Bitcoins, he believes the virtual currency is still very secure.
There is a trust issue. I mean, like I said, I can't comment too much on Gox, on what went wrong or why the issues they faced. But like I said before, the technology-wise, the tools and the infrastructure is in place to support a very secure and buying experience and also in transactions.
The machine currently is located at ANXBTC's office, and buyers can use it during office hours. The company has yet to announce if, when and where the machine will be installed in a public space. Bitcoin is bought and sold on a peer-to-peer network independent of central control. Its value rose last year, and the total value of Bitcoins minted is now about $7 billion.